Welcome viewers to Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Today I am going to show you an interesting quick lunch pack recipe that is called coconut sprouts rice. So now let's check out the ingredients for it. Here I have taken 500 grams of cooked rice, that is I have taken, washed it and pressure cooked the rice. So this is cooked 500 gram of parboiled rice I have taken. You can even take basmati rice or raw rice. Along with it I am going to take here coconut of 100 grams. I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of sprouts, moong and chickpea, green gram and chickpea sprouts. You can see the sprouts are there in the dal. Along with it, to make it colorful, I am going to add grated carrot 1 cup. Along with it, green chilies. I have taken 7 to 8 number of green chilies and cut them into chopped ginger, few curry leaves, 7 to 8 tablespoons of required amount of oil, and for garnishing I am going to take nuts, raisins, cashew nuts and badam. Now let's go for the preparation process. I have taken a heavy bottom kadai. Once when the kadai is heated, add 8 to 10 tablespoons of oil. Once when the oil is heated, mustard seeds, once when mustards splatter, I am going to add chana dal, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 4 red chilies, once when it turns to golden color, I am going to add on one by one chopped ginger, curry leaves, and green chilies. Reduce the flame. After 2 minutes, I am going to add the sprouts. Let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am going to add to it grated coconut. and grated carrot. Now mix it thoroughly. Cook it for another 5 minutes. Now you can see here carrot, sprouts and coconut is well combined and cooked. At this stage you can add the cooked rice. Keep the flame in sim while mixing the rice. Now you can see here the rice is well combined with carrot, coconut and the sprouts which we have added. This is a very nutritious rice because we are adding carrot and sprouts. It has protein, vitamin A, carbohydrate from rice, so it's a complete nutritious lunch pack. During the lunch time it gives you a very complete satiety feeling. So here I'm going to switch off the stove. I'm going to add cashew nuts, badam and raisins. This is optional. If you are interested you can add it at the end so that it will give you a crunchy feeling. Children will love to eat. After adding nuts, add salt according to the taste. And mix it well. Almost done. Now the coconut sprouts rice is ready to be served hot. This is a complete nutritious compact lunch because it has coconut, carrot and sprouts. It gives you a lot of potassium, magnesium, fiber, calcium and carbohydrate. So, and it's very simple and quick preparation. Hope you all like my recipe. Do like and subscribe my channel Priya Prem's Kitchen. Enjoy it. Thank you viewers.